Welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 6th to the 10th of November 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today, we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering weekly market outlook, the key events to watch, trade watch list, our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading, as internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, energy, agriculture and the cryptocurrency markets are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate a substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For further information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com. Weekly market outlook. The key events to watch this week. China is scheduled to release trade figures on Wednesday. That report is expected to show that the country's trade surplus ballooned by 39.5 billion last month from a surplus of around 28.5 billion in September. Exports are forecast to have climbed 8.8% from a year earlier, while imports are expected to have risen 13.5%. The preliminary University of Michigan November Consumer Sentiment Index is scheduled for release on Friday and is expected to inch up to a fresh 13-year high of 101 from 100.7 in October, which was the highest level since the start of 2004. On the central bank front, last week President Donald Trump named Fed Governor Jerome Powell to replace Janet Yellen when her term ends in February. Jerome Powell is viewed as similar to Janet Yellen from a monetary policy point of view and more dovish than other members of the Fed. The Reserve Bank of Australia's latest interest rate decision is due on Tuesday. Most economists expect the central bank to keep rates unchanged at the current record low of 1.5% for the 14th straight meeting and maintain its neutral policy stance, as it balances the risk of fueling further borrowing in the country's red-hot property market against tepid inflation. Tuesday's policy decision will then be followed by the Royal Bank of Australia's quarterly monetary policy statement on Friday. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. This week, our trade ideas are going to be focused on gold. We'll be looking at both the buy side and the sell side to talk you through the price structure of this market. Now, before we get into it, it is worth noting that the net long position on COMEX gold has reduced for a 7th week in a row. So it does leave gold vulnerable at these levels if we were to break through support to a more significant move lower. On Friday, we saw the dollar break out to almost 8-month highs against the yen after Friday's non-farm payroll data. In fact, gold broke down to 1-week lows on Friday as the dollar firmed up later on in the session after upbeat US economic data reinforcing the prospect of another rate hike by the Federal Reserve. And if we have a look at the price structure at the moment, with gold trading right now at 1,271 US dollars per ounce, you will see where it's still finding some support, particularly on a closing basis, still above 1,265 US dollars. It continues to get a bid at that level. However, it is still vulnerable to a further corrective move lower if it cannot break above last week's highs. So we'll talk you through what we're looking at here on gold at the moment. Essentially right now, gold is consolidating. It's within quite a tight range, moving between 1,265 US dollars per ounce, which is where we found support over the last week. And then above, we've got resistance currently, which resides at approximately 1,284. So gold right now and over the last couple of weeks has been moving within approximately a $20 range. So soon it is likely to have a resolution and a breakout in either direction. Now, the breakdown that we've had so far on Monday's session does suggest that we're getting support again around the weekly lows at 1,265 US dollars. A break below support, and we also have a pennant formation here on the chart as well. But if we were to see a break below underlying support and essentially break and close below the swing lows here from October, so if gold breaks and closes below 1,260 US dollars per ounce, this really opens up the door for significantly lower prices in the days to come. That will be a very key level here, and also 1,265 $1,065 US as well. A break and close below these levels opens up the door down to $1,250 US per ounce. Below that, 1,240. And of course, if we continue to see those levels get breached, we could eventually see gold come all the way back down to the lows here from July of $1,200 if we were to really see additional momentum to the downside in the face of prospects for the Federal Reserve to increase interest rates in December if the US dollar continues to get a bid. That would be the sell side. However, that hasn't been confirmed at the moment. You can see right now gold is currently trading at the daily highs here after a retest of $1,265 during the Asia Pacific session. And the flip side of that would be that gold has the potential, if it holds above 1,260 to 1,265 US dollars per ounce, to build a base here. It is still consolidating, and if it does break out and close certainly above 1,285 US dollars, we would then be looking to rotate into long positions here, because we would likely break above a lot of this resistance, and especially if we close above that level, it opens up the door for a revisit back towards 1,300 US dollars per ounce. That's if gold can continue the momentum and break out of resistance. And in fact, the other trade idea here, if you're just trading the range at the moment, would actually be to be buying near the 1260 to 1265 zone whilst that gets supported, and then taking profit around the 1280 to 1285 zone whilst gold remains within a very tight range. Currently, it's moving within a $20 range, and there are also opportunities just to trade it within this range until it has a decisive break and close either below 1,260, which would be a sell short opportunity, or a break and close above 1,285 US dollars, which would be a buy opportunity. Otherwise, there's opportunities just to trade the range at the moment with gold. I would also suggest for confluence, you want to keep a very close eye on the US dollar at the moment, and also the other precious metals such as silver and platinum as well for the correlations at the moment. And of course, if you'd like to find out the exact trades that we will be taking at the Gold and Silver Club, including our exact entry, our exit, or take profit, or trade management on every single trade, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session, and we'll provide you with details of how you can make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included Bitcoin, platinum, US oil, and also soybeans. So with the relentless run up to the upside here on Bitcoin, we've caught the recent breakout here back above the all-time highs for a break above $6,000, catching 600 points profit on this trade. Platinum also gave us a great opportunity last week to trade the breakout from a very tight range, banking 200 points profit on our long position. WTI crude oil, as we covered in last week's analysis, giving us a great opportunity to get into a momentum trade here for 200 points profit as WTI crude oil broke out to 6-month highs. Soybeans also gave us an opportunity to get back in on a pullback last week at a major level of underlying support, trading the surge higher here for 150 points profit. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders, get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income? Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The Private Members Live Trading Room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, Daily, live, actionable trade ideas shared with you, ready to implement. Real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS. Exact details of where we enter, where we exit, and place a stop loss on each trade. Access to our private members' live trading room forum. Ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success. And exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.